are here at the Global Filipino Icon Awards.
Yes.
2025 in Dubai.
Yes.
So, we're going to do my makeup because we're going to a Global Icon Award. This is my outfit. Thank you so much, Sariling Atin, for sponsoring my outfit. Here you go.
Hi, hello.
Tita, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Risa, for being here. Love you.
Ganda. We're going now.
Hi, hello. We're ready
All
to go.
set and we're ready to go. So pretty. So guapo. So ganda. And also so maganda.
Nag-taxi lang kami kasi ayaw namin ma-stress.
Guys, mag-photoshoot muna kami.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Dusetani. So we're here now in the area.
Nice. The lady in red. Smile. Yes.
Nanjo Francisco.
Okay.
Hello guys. So nandito na kami sa red carpet. Ayan. So we will just take some photos. Ayan guys. So nakapila na kami. We're done with some drinks. And then, ito na. Nakapila na.
And I think that's the life of a diplomat, especially if you're really dedicated and you'd like to see your friends, because each one of you, I consider my friend. If you're not yet my friend, you will be my friend by the end of this evening.
And strength. Her journey is a testament to grit and personal growth. Receiving the Excellence in Athletic Achievement and Personal Resilience Award is Elijah Jonah Florido. Our Communications Award is Patricia Estenoso. Craftsmanship, receiving the Innovative Leader in Filipino Fashion and Identity Award is Feli Rosantina Christensen. Vlogger and Humanity.
Sariling Atin Dubai Outstanding Filipino Cultural Enterprise Award.
Their OFW led business model reflects resilience, creativity, and Filipino user experience.
So that ends our awarding. Congratulations. Nakasabay yung damit. Yes. Sariling Atin. It's our day. Thank you for joining me.